Hi everybody, this is question number 3 for CR5, and this is the helper video to help you along with this problem. This is the new topic. This is what we've learned recently. So hopefully this is fresh in your mind and you'll be able to understand it. First thing I do is I'm going to look at both sides of the equal sign. I do not have any like terms that I can combine, so I'm going to start by going ahead and putting in my ladder. Now remember, the ladder is there because anything I do to one side I have to do to the other. And I'm going to work my way down the ladder until I find my answer. First thing I like to do is I like to bring all of my variables to the left side. So I'm just going to put a little v over here for my variable side and a c over here for my constant side. So because the first step is to get all of my variables on this left side, I'm going to look at these two x's over here. Now these two x's over here, I need to move to the other side. And remember, when I move them to the other side of the equal sign, that means I have to zero them out. Zeroing them out is different than dividing and getting x by itself. I'm not looking to get x by itself at this point. I'm looking to zero out. So I'm going to do the opposite of adding 2x, which is subtracting 2x. And notice 2x's minus 2x's zeros out. But remember, anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Notice I'm writing the minus 2x under the 17x because those are my like terms. 17x's minus 2x's gives me 15x's. And I'm going to go ahead and bring down the plus 22. Sorry about my messy handwriting. And my equal sign. And now I have negative 23 left on the right side of the equal sign. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch colors so you can see my next step. This has just become a two-step equation. So I look on this left side and I see constants here. What's the opposite of adding 22? Well, subtracting 22. And why am I subtracting 22? Because I want to get x by itself, and this will zero out those constants. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. Now notice signs are the same. I have 23 bad guys because negatives are bad guys. I have 22 more bad guys. So I have a total of 45 bad guys. Signs are the same. You find the sum, add. Over on this side, I still have a 15x. I'm going to go ahead and bring that down. And my equal sign as well, because they always remain equal. I am then going to say, change my color. I'm going to say to myself, this coefficient is attached to my x by multiplication. So to undo multiplication, I'm going to divide both sides by that coefficient of 15. And the reason why I'm dividing by 15 is because I want to get x by itself. And 15 divided by 15 is just a fancy form of 1. Excuse me. And I want 1x on this side, and that's what I now have. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. And 45 divided by 15 is 3. So x equals 3 is my final answer. You go ahead and do your problem now, and good luck.